What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And I wanted to make this video for you guys on why I don't really talk about CPA marketing that much anymore. So back in the day when I first got started in CPA marketing for like 2 years straight, that was literally all I talked about was CPA marketing and affiliate marketing here and there. But CPA marketing was that bread and butter, just CPA marketing, CPA marketing, CPA marketing, CPA marketing, CPA marketing, over and over and over, right? That was all I would talk about. And the reason I haven't talked about CPA marketing anymore is because CPA marketing has not changed since the day I got into it. You can go watch a video from 2016 that I made and it'll still apply in 2020. Like, what else is there to say? There's nothing else to say. Everything I can possibly talk about with CPA marketing, I've covered. I've showed you guys step by step how you can make money with Instagram, and CPA marketing. I've showed you guys how to make money with CPA marketing and Twitter. I've shown you guys several videos on how to do it with Craigslist. I've shown you guys how to make landing pages, how to track, how to create landing pages, how to make sure you get paid for every single click, how to check and see if the CPA network is scamming you, how to get into private networks, the difference between private networks and public networks, and like everything you can possibly think of when it comes to CPA marketing. I've already made a video on it. The thing is that people just want to see the same video over and over and over. And I'm not really big on making the same video over and over and over and over and over. True, I can go make a video on Craigslist right now and basically just say the same shit that I said, last time I uploaded a video about Craigslist, because literally nothing has changed in the slightest. It's still traffic source landing page offer. That's it. Or you got your email follow-up series in there as well. But again, I've already made a video on setting up the email follow-up series. I've already made a video on how you guys can maximize the amount of money you get per landing page, or how to add an ad to the landing page so that way you can make more money, if just in case they don't convert on this one, or even if they do convert on this one, when they come back to cancel this page out, there's another offer sitting there waiting for them, right? So that's more revenue that could be coming in. Like, again, there is nothing left to talk about. Like, anytime that I find something that's new, like that software that I showed you guys about a month ago or whatnot, that still works perfectly fine. I'm having no issues with that in the slightest. But other than that, what else is there really to talk about? Nothing has changed. Again, you still got the same basis. Traffic source, landing page, offer, email follow-up series. That's it. The only things that I have not shown on YouTube is stuff that's in the Team DeAngelo course and stuff that you just wouldn't be able to do if you're looking for free training on YouTube. Like, if you're looking for free training on YouTube, odds are you don't have the budget to run native advertising, which is a minimum $1,500 just for the traffic. That's not including your software, your spy tours or anything along those lines. That's just traffic, bare minimum $1,500 just for the traffic. And that's not guaranteed money that you're going to see back. So why would I talk about that when I know, again, if you're on YouTube looking for that, odds are you don't have the budget for it. And there's no offense to anyone along those lines or whatnot. It's just that you need to work your way up there. You have to start out in the Facebook groups. You have to, and I've already made videos on that. Like, you have to start off at the bottom and then just work your way up. That's it. If you are trying to look at, a done for you campaign, for example, you got to pay for that, obviously. Like, it might cost me $50,000 to go out and, get all that data and all that stuff set up for you guys and just have people running, right? I'm going to charge for that. I just paid 50 grand. Got to get a little bit of that money back, right? And even if I did put a done for you campaign on YouTube, it wouldn't work because everyone would start running it. As soon as everyone started running, boom, it's over with. It only takes a few people to run the campaign to where it's not profitable for anybody. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it in a nutshell. Like, there is nothing else to talk about. Like, what else is there to talk about? Again, nothing has changed. And I keep saying that because it's like nothing has changed. Some networks went down, some traffic sources went down, but other than that, it's the same shit. You just do the same thing on a different website. If you were running on Backpage, I think it was Backpage. Yeah, Backpage or whatnot. Now the new website is whatever it is. Right? You just go to that one now. If Facebook goes down, there's going to be another backup version of Facebook or whatever that's going to be right away, literally minutes after it goes, not even minutes, seconds after Facebook goes down, everyone's going to start flooding to the new platform. Instagram goes down, they're going to start flooding to the next platform. Like, none of this stuff has changed at all. All the same stuff from 2016 and 2015 and beyond, still works perfectly fine. You can go take an ebook from like 2010 on CPA marketing and it still works today. You might have to change up a few things, use a different software or whatnot, but the same, like the basis of the method will still work perfectly fine. It's just that simple, Nothing has changed with CPA marketing. So why am I going to just keep talking about it and keep talking about it and keep talking about it and keep talking about it when I've already talked about it? Like, don't get me wrong, I love CPA marketing. You guys know that I got my own CPA network now. But at the same time, like, again, what am I going to say? I've shown you guys, offers that basically instantly convert. So if it says there's a email submit and it says it converts on the email submit, you get paid when all the person has to do is literally just put an email and you get paid. It's not like how you go to Shave Bounty or a lot of these other networks and they'll tell you it converts on the email submit, but you really get paid on like page 20 or some shit like that, right? I've told you everything. I've showed you guys the ins. I've showed you guys the outs. I've showed you the good. I've showed you the bad. I've showed you my campaigns that did fantastic, that made, hundreds of thousands of dollars. I've showed you guys the campaigns that did horrible. I've showed you guys, me losing money. I showed you guys me making money. I showed you guys me buying my house. I showed you guys me, buying the Camaro. Like, I've shown everything when it comes to CPA marketing. Well, CPA marketing actually didn't have anything to do with the house. That was Google Trends. But you guys get what I'm saying. All this whole stuff here, the journey and whatnot, it's all here. Right here, documented on the YouTube channel. There is nothing else for me to say about CPA marketing. Don't get me wrong. Again, I love CPA marketing with a passion, and here and there I'll make a video basically just saying the same shit that I said years ago, whatnot, because a lot of people have this thing in their head where that if a method was made X amount of years ago that it doesn't work anymore. They don't even attempt to try the method. It's, that method is old, it doesn't work. How the fuck would you know? You didn't even try it. You didn't even attempt to run the offer, but it doesn't work. That's an outdated method. I want to slap the person who came up with that nonsense. Why would you even say something so stupid? That's an outdated method. Never ran the method, never made money with CPA marketing, never even attempted to do anything. It's just, it's outdated. How the fuck is it outdated if it still works? But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Now you guys know, again, on, why I don't make as many videos as I do, as I did back in the day with CPA marketing. Again, back in the day, it was different. There was always something new happening, right? I was building teams, for running black hat campaigns, which, again, I'll show you guys videos on that. I was, getting started into Facebook. I was making, campaigns for you guys and documenting them and showing you guys, the nice numbers and stuff. But the reason I stopped doing that, where I was showing you guys big numbers and stuff, me hitting like, $50K in a month or $18,000 in 20 days, like just all, these nice, juicy numbers or whatever, is because I started having people flooding to the Team DeAngelo place or whatnot, to the Team DeAngelo training, and a lot of these people were basically getting all hyped up, right? So I was doing a lot of refunds, I was doing a lot of returns, and you guys know I'm not really a big fan of none of that. Like, I don't want you to sign up for Team DeAngelo if you're not here to make money. Like, if you're looking for some fairy tale push button magical software, take your ass down the road to one of those MLMs where everyone pays $100 or some shit, right? And no offense to anybody who promotes that. I mean, hey, it is what it is. But, if you want a scam, you want some random ass nonsense, you want something that's going to sell you, you want someone that's going to kiss your ass, if you want all that stuff, take your ass somewhere else, because I'm not the one, right? I'm not going to kiss your ass. I'm not going to hold your hand every single step of the way. I'm going to show you guys how to do exactly this, what I'm doing. I'm going to show you how to eat. I'm going to give you all the tools you need, but I'm not going to breastfeed you. I'm not going to, spoon feed you. I'm not going to do any of that. Like, again, I'm showing you guys all the shit right here. This is what you need to do. Go out and do it. Like, I'm not going to wipe your ass for you. I want you to succeed, but I mean, hey, you got to do what you got to do, right? But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. let me know if you made it all the way to the end of this video. Let me know what you want to see for CPA marketing wise. Obviously, I know 99% of the people on this channel here is subscribed for CPA marketing. So yeah, let me know what else do you guys want to see. Like I said, we've covered everything. Maybe there's a new traffic source. Maybe there's some new software. Maybe there's something new that I don't know about. Just let me know in the comment section down below.